Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Saya Muhammad Yuda Pratama dengan nomor NIM 2038302189, Prodi Perbankan Syariah kelas A. Di sini saya akan membacakan dan menjelaskan tentang definition of istiqnaq. Paragraf pertama. The word istiqnaq is derived from the Arabic term sina'a, meaning to manufacture a specific commodity. Istisna is an agreement whereby a customer requiring an item, equipment, building, or project which needs to be constructed, manufactured, fabricated, or assembled, approaches the bank for financing. The bank offers to have the said item constructed, manufactured, or assembled, and then after adding its profit margin, sells it to the customer. The buyer can pay the price later, either in lump sum or in installment. Dan telaah teks grammar. Paragraf pertama, kalimat pertama. The word istisna is derived from the Arabic term sina'a, meaning to manufacture a specific commodity. Kalimat tersebut termasuk kalimat simple present passive. Alasan istiqnaq adalah subjek, is adalah to be, derived adalah verb 3. From the Arabic term sina'a, meaning to manufacture a specific commodity, adalah complement. Paragraf pertama, kalimat kedua. Istisna'a is an agreement whereby a customer requiring an item, equipment, building, or project which need to be constructed, manufacture, fabricated, or assembled. Manufacture, fabricated, or assembled. Approach the bank for financing. Kalimat tersebut termasuk kalimat simple present tense. Alasannya istisna adalah subjek, is adalah to be, dan seterusnya, an agreement dan seterusnya adalah complement. Paragraf pertama, kalimat ketiga. The bank offers to have the said item constructed, manufactured, or assembled, and then after adding its profit margin, sells it to the customer, adalah termasuk kalimat simple present tense. Alasannya, the bank subject offers verb 1 to have the said item constructed dan seterusnya adalah complement. Paragraf pertama, kalimat keempat. The buyer can pay the price later, either in lump sum. 4. The buyer can pay the price later, either in lump sum or in installment. Termasuk kalimat simple present tense. Alasannya, the buyer adalah subjek, can adalah model, pay adalah verb 1. The phrase letter either in a lump sum or in installment adalah objek. Sekian penjelasan dari saya. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wabarakatuh. Istisna is a finishing match used for the production of the specific goods. It is also the frequently applied model for construction finance in action. Istisna is agreement whereby one party pays for goods to be manufactured or pays for something to be constructed. As a general rule, the ultimate will make period in statement according to the actual progress in construction of manufacturing. For example, a ferry company wanting to buy a new ship will make periodic installment payments to the shipbuilder as the assembly process moves forward.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Perkenalkan, nama saya Alika Nur Fajariah. Saya di sini sebagai pemateri ketiga. In summary, the congress could be made directly between the end user and the manufacturer, but typically it is a three-party contract, whereby the bank acts as an intermediary. This is achieved by using a structure called a parallel or back istana that consists of two istanas conglomerates. They constitute the basis of such an agreement. Under the first agreement, the bank agrees to clean payback on a longer term schedule. Whereas under the second congress, the bank, in the function of a person makes progress in installments to the producer over a shorter period of time. Thanks. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.